Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I am Ikramul Haq and you are watching my YouTube channel English with Ikram. Dear students, dear viewers, in today's video I am going to discuss a very important topic, that is 3 different ways of making feminine from masculine. You know there are 4 genders of noun: masculine, feminine, common and neuter. I have discussed all the 4 genders of noun in one of my last videos. You can watch that video if you want to learn gender of noun. In other than English, in Urdu and Arabic, there are just two genders, masculine and feminine. But in English language, there are 4 genders: masculine, feminine, common and neuter. I have discussed these genders of noun in detail. You can watch that video. I will give the link of that video in the description of this video. So let's get started. There are 3 different ways. How can we make feminine from masculine? There are 3 different ways, 3 different methods. Number one, that's you already know, by using an entirely different word. We make feminine from masculine by using an entirely different word. I give you some examples. You can just study a totally new word: boy and girl. Boy and feminine is girl, a totally new word. So this is the one methodology, one process, one way that we use an entirely different, a completely different word. Let's take some examples. This video is especially important for kids, for students of class 2nd, 3rd up to 8th and 9th and classes. This video is especially for kids, for the classes of grade 2, grade 3 to secondary classes. So number 1, boy, masculine, and feminine is girl, a totally new word. Brother, masculine, and feminine is sister, a totally new word. Bull or ox, and it is masculine and feminine is cow. Again, it's a totally new word. Drone and bee. Drone is a male bee and bee, that's female. Then duck, duke, it's not duck, it's duke. And feminine is duchess. Masculine is duke and feminine is duchess. In Urdu we call nawab, nawaban. Then masculine word is lord and it's lady. Feminine is lady. Horse is male and mare is female, is feminine. Nephew, masculine, and niece, it's feminine. Nephew and niece. Some people pronounce this word as nice. It's not nice, it's niece. Then ram, male sheep, and ewe, E-W-E, this is not Eve, it's ewe, female sheep. Then king, queen, stag, male deer, and hind, female deer. Uncle, aunt, wizard, witch, and feminine is witch. Dog and feminine is bitch. Then hart, feminine is roe. Drake, male duck, and feminine is duck. Duck is female and its male is masculine is drake. So these are some examples when we use an entirely new word for making masculine. Next process is number 2, by adding these different syllables. This is the second process of making feminine from masculine words. And these syllables are es, s, ine, or trix, trix. There are certain words where for making feminine we add ess, ine, or trix. So let's see the words where we make feminine by adding ess. The word is author, and this is masculine, and feminine is authoress. We just add ess, s, this one. We add ess, this syllable s, and we make feminine. Baron, baroness. Baron masculine and baroness. Just by adding ESS, we make feminine. Then host, hostess. Host, hostess. Masculine and feminine. The next masculine word is patron and feminine is patroness. Patroness. Just we add ESS at the end of this word. Then lion, and this is male, masculine, and feminine is lioness. Again we are adding ESS. The next word is poet. It's male, masculine, and female or feminine is poetess. Again we are adding ESS. Count, countess. Jew, Jewess. Just by the addition of ESS, we are making feminine. HEIR. Normally this word is mispronounced as here. It's and feminine is rs. This is this is rs. Patron. The next word is word number 10. Patron, patroness. Again we are adding here ESS. Then the same ESS, but here we drop the final vowel sound, this vowel, and we add ESS. Again we are adding here in such sort of, there are some words where we add ESS but we drop the final vowel sound. For example, in the word here actor, we drop this O, this vowel sound, and we add ESS. Actress, ACTOR. O is being dropped over here and it becomes ACTRESS. There is no O over here. So in some words we add the same syllable ESS, the same word, the same letters ESS, but we drop the final vowel. Conductor, conductress. Again there is no O over here. We just add after T, it's OR. Here we just add ESS by dropping O. It's conductress. Conductor, conductress. The next one is emperor, and feminine is empress. Emperor, empress. The next one is benefactor. Benefactor, benefactress. The same process. We drop the final vowel sound and add ESS. The next word is founder and foundress. You have to keep this thing in your mind. We are dropping the final vowel and we add ESS. Then hunter, huntress. It's hunter and feminine is huntress. The next word is waiter. Masculine word is waiter and feminine is waitress. The same process by dropping the final vowel and adding ESS. And the next word is master, and here it's mistress. Right? Now the next is by adding INE. Hero, and we add INE, it's heroine. We have to find some more example where we add INE for making masculine. And another where this is very rare, TRIX. For example, in the word testator. Who is a testator? A person who makes a valid will. A person who makes the will. He is called testator. And feminine is by adding this one, testatrix. It may be testatress, but this word is also used for feminine of testator, testatrix. So this is one way of making feminine, though it's very rare. You won't find more words, such sort of words where we add this TRIX. And same is the case over here, by adding INE, we have very few words where we add INE for making feminine. The next process is, the last process of making feminine is by placing a word before or after. We either place a word before that particular word, masculine, or we add after that particular word, which is masculine, for making feminine. For example, grandfather. The word is grandfather. We add a new word after this, it's grandmother. Yes? son, granddaughter. We add a new word after that particular word. Then landlord. Again we add lady, landlady. One part is there and we add another word after that particular part for making feminine. Then peacock, and female or feminine is peahen. Again we are adding a new word. Some more example: salesman, saleswoman. Salesman and saleswoman. Then another manservant, and it is maidservant. Now we have added a word, a new word before that particular word, before the actual word. It's manservant, now it's maidservant for female. So these were a few processes for making feminine from masculine, and these processes are very much interesting especially for kids. Kids take interest for making in grade 2 or grade 3 even to grade 9 and 10. They take great interest in such sort of things, and they've been given different assignments for making masculine or for feminine. So here are some examples and 3 different processes. First one, when we make feminine by an entirely different word, a completely new word. As I have given almost 16 examples for making feminine, we add a totally new word. Then the second process is we add E-S-S-I-N-E or T-R-I-X for making feminine. Then we have process number 3, we put a totally new word either before or after that actual word. So to have to practice all these words, try to find out some more words using these 3 different words. Some more words when you add a totally new word, when you make feminine by entirely new word. Some try to find some more words where you make feminine by adding es. You drop the final vowel sound and you add E-S-S. Then try to find out some more words where you make feminine by adding I-N-E. Then try to find out some word, though I have told you that where they are very rare, where we add this TRX and for making feminine. So kids, especially, you will definitely enjoy this video and practice it. When you are at home nowadays, especially practice, try to find some new word. This is very good practice, and watch my other videos as well. I have recorded all the videos, grammar, pronunciation, spoken English. Try to watch all the videos, try to make your concept clear. Keep on watching my videos, and if you are new on my channel, try to subscribe it right now. Share my videos, like, comment. If for any query, comment in the comment box of my video. Whenever you have any question, try to ask that particular question. I will definitely answer your question. That's all for today. Thank you very much.